I am starting the daily challenge. First, I will accept the cookie banner to clear the view. Then I will make an initial guess of inception to establish the target medium movie or TV series, year, and rating. I will click the search field, type the title, select the first suggestion, and click the guess button. Type card is green for Inception movie, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2010 red arrow down and has a lower MDB rating than 8.8 red arrow down. No genres action, adventure, sci-fi, actors DiCaprio, Gordon Levitt, Page, or director Nolan overlapped. I need an older movie with a rating below 8.8 that is not sci-fi/action/adventure. Type card is green for Inception, so target medium equals movie. The target is older than 2010 and has a rating lower than 8.8. I will guess Pulp Fiction 1994, 8.9 to test an older classic. Even though the rating arrow suggests lower than 8.8, it helps narrow the genre and year significantly. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction movie, so target medium equals movie. The target year is older than 1994 yellow, arrow down, and within 2 years, meaning it is likely 1992 or 1993. The rating is lower than 8.9 red, arrow down. No genres crime, drama, actors Travolta, Thurman, Jackson, or director Tarantino overlapped. I need a movie from 1992-1993 that is not crime or drama. Type card is green for Pulp Fiction, so target medium equals movie. The target year is older than 1994 yellow arrow down, likely 1992 or 1993. I will guess Jurassic Park 1993, which is a major release from that window and fits the non-crime/drama constraint. Type card is green for Jurassic Park movie, so target medium equals movie. The year is exactly 1993 green. The rating is lower than 8.2 yellow, arrow down, meaning it is between 7.7 and 8.1. No genres action, adventure, sci-fi, actors, or director Spielberg overlapped. I need a movie from 1993 with a rating of 7.7-8.1 that is not action, adventure, sci-fi, crime, or drama. Type card is green for Jurassic Park, so target medium equals movie. The year is exactly 1993. The rating is lower than 8.2 but within 0.5 yellow arrow down, placing it between 7.7 and 8.1. I need a 1993 movie that is not action, adventure, sci-fi, crime, or drama. Groundhog Day 1993, 8.0 is a comedy/fantasy that fits these constraints perfectly. Type card is green for Groundhog Day movie, so target medium equals movie. The year is exactly 1993 green. The rating is lower than 8.0 yellow arrow down, so it is between 7.5 and 7.9. The genre fantasy is green on target, while comedy and drama are gray. No actors or directors overlapped. I need a 1993 fantasy movie rated 7.5-7.9 that is not comedy or drama. Type card is green for Groundhog Day, so target medium equals movie. The year is exactly 1993. The rating is lower than 8.0 yellow arrow down. The genre fantasy is green, but comedy and drama are gray. The Nightmare Before Christmas 1993 is a fantasy/animation/family movie with a rating of 7.9, which fits all current constraints perfectly. I solved today's Cinedle in 5 guesses. The target was The Nightmare Before Christmas 1993. The key clues were narrowing the year down to exactly 1993 and identifying the fantasy genre while ruling out comedy and drama.